Welcome children, we are doing reinforcement of cursive handwriting part 3, that is animals, homes and their babies. So we will be tracing and writing in cursive the names of animals, then homes and babies. Children, here first animal is lion. Learn to write in cursive by tracing and learn the spellings as well. L-I-O-N, lion. Its home is called den. D-E-N, den. And baby lion is called cub. C-U-B, cub. Correct pronunciation is lion. It's not leon or loen. Next, animal is dog. D-O-G, dog. Name of its home is kennel. K-E-N-N-E-L, kennel. Its baby is called puppy. P-U-P-P-Y, puppy. Next animal is monkey. Children, it's not monkey, it's monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. It lives on trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. And baby monkey is infant. I-N-F-A-N-T, infant. Next is cow. C-O-W, cow. It lives in shed. S-H-E-D, shed. And baby cow is called calf. C-A-L-F, calf. Horse. Next animal is horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Its home is called stable. It lives in stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. And baby horses foal. F-O-A-L, foal. Next animal is duck. D-U-C-K, duck. It lives in pond. We all know it. P-O-N-D, pond. And baby duck is duckling. D-U-C-K-L-I-N-G, duckling. Children, you can see tracing is quite easy, and in the rows given below which are blank, you will be writing yourself. First one, lion. Its home is den. C-U-B, cub, its baby. So here we are writing and revising again. Next animal, dog. Its home is kennel. And its baby is puppy. Next animal is monkey. It lives on trees. And its baby is called infant. Next animal is cow. It lives in shed. Its baby is called calf. Next is horse. It's not horse, it's horse. Lives in stable. And its baby is called foal. Last animal is duck. It lives in pond. And its baby is called duckling. So this was all for today. We'll be back with part 4 soon. Till then, stay happy, stay safe. Thank you for watching my full video. And stay connected by subscribing and hitting the notifications on for further updates.